Hello and welcome to this Minecraft 1.12 Feed the Beast Revolution episode from the Craftinomical server. Yeah, we're playing Feed the Beast 1.12 here. It's awesome. My name is Vidargavia. I hope you are all right. And today we're going to do some immersive engineering wind turbines over here at our immersive engineering greenhouse. So I have brought out the wire cutters and the engineer's hammer, and we're gonna do some wind turbines. Now, this thing, I gotta tell you guys, this thing is just producing so much stuff. We have end stone, no we don't, we have chorus fruits, we have nether wart, we have cacti, we have all the things. We have a little pumpkin here, it's very cute, but this thing needs power. And at the moment we have plenty of it, but that's because I'm not running my void ore miner and that stuff. And then in here, guys, in our still unfinished rustic farmhouse, my gosh, we need to fix it. In here, we have this thing at the moment, a culinary generator, that just basically fires up or powers, with the help of these things, those farms over there, and the tree farm over there. And I thought to myself, what can we do to have some sort of cool power over here at the farm? Because the solar arrays that we have over there in the Rowan district, that's for that stuff over there. And I want to have something for over here as well. And so yeah, we have sort of a rustic theme, we have immersive engineering, and I thought, you know, Rustic doesn't have any power, but immersive engineering does. And the wind turbines, they look really cool. And I think we're going to put them somewhere here. If we put them here, and then sort of 10 blocks up to around here, 101, oh, screenshot, they will overlook the entire thing, right? And so from parts at least of the inner yard there, and definitely from the farm and all sorts of stuff like that, we'll be able to see them. And also, if the wind turbines are above level 101 or 101 and above, they produce more power, and that's never a bad thing, is it? So I think we're gonna put them here. Gonna make some snazzy things to put them on. Berries, I hate those berry bushes. They're nice and all that, but they're hitbox. Look at this. Oh no, it doesn't do it. Oh yeah, see, there you go. It's like ghost blocks. Yeah, so that's what we're going to put them. We're going to build some nice things around them, and then we're going to have power from them to drive all these things that we have over here at the farm. And then we can allow the solar arrays to focus on the void ore miners and stuff like that. So, my idea is to build 4 kinetic dynamos, and then have windmills on them. So we need 4 copper coil blocks, so that means we need 32 LV wire. And we have 2 copper wires, so that's the first thing we need to make. And for that we need copper plates and this doohickey here. So we need a ton of these guys. 2 stacks to be exact is what we need. And what? Oh yeah. And then we need 32 of these. So let's see here. Oh my days. This is... I like this crafting interface, but it has its limitations, to be honest. So we need 2 stacks of these coils here, I think. I might have miscalculated, but you know, it is what it is. And then we need to make them into coils. Sorry, into those doohickey blocks. These copper coil blocks, yeah, 8 of them we need. Yeah, so why does it not pick things from my inventory? That's what I want to know. Anyway, there we go, we got them. Okay, yeah, I've vastly overestimated this, but anyway, these are always handy. So that means we should be able to make 4 of these guys now. Or 8 even. Why am I making 8? I need 4. Okay, fine. There we go. So that's stage 1, guys. Now we need to go and look at the windmills, right? And the windmills, I thought that was an advanced version of these. No, there isn't. There isn't an advanced version of this. Maybe there is. Maybe if I search for turbine, what happens then? Turbine. No, maybe they're not in the. Maybe they're not in the game. That's a windmill sail. What's that for then? Nothing. That's a bit confusing, to be honest. But okay, so let's make 32 of these if we can. I don't think we can. I think we need to go and get our treated wood from our towers over here. But you see how this is like the immersive engineering factory, but it's used over there? I think that's pretty cool. So let's see how much of this stuff we got. None. Is that how much we got? 29. Why do we not have more? This thing has somehow stopped. Ah, it's out of wood. Alright, fair enough. Okay, well I guess I will wait around here for a while this produces more wood. Okay, and we are making 32 of these fellas. So that's that. Let's take that out of there again. And then, let's see. Not wind turbine, windmill. Here we go. Just some iron, guys. Just some iron with these. So we should be able to make 4 of these right now. And so that's that. Now we are ready to begin here. Actually, where are we? Here. So if we go up here first of all, and maybe take out this tree. Oops, I'm not that turped. I thought we could go really simple in some ways, right? We can just go with these blocks, although I don't think I have quite enough to actually do it. And these are, by the way, steel scaffolding. They're super pricey in my opinion. They're entirely made out of steel. You make 4. No, sorry. Yeah, you have 3 steel rods. These fellas here, which is 2 steel for 4. And then you have 3 steel up top. So yeah, we put that there. That has some sides. Okay. It looks to me like it's gonna face this way. And then we just put this windmill in here like that. That looks snazzy, guys. That looks real snazzy. And if we look from down here. Yeah, see, I like that. We can have 4 of these up on this hill here, but I think we need to make more steel scaffolding though, because it needs to go taller. This is now on 99, so it needs to be at least 2 more blocks up, and then of course we need more. So we need, let's say we need 10 for each, so that's 40, and we get 6 of them for 1 recipe. So 10, 9, 8. We need to make 8 or 7. I don't do maths, and I'm also lost. Where am I? Yeah, so that's that. Now the thing is, we are low, I think, on steel. We have 11 steel. Okay, let's make as many as we can here, and maybe at least get 1 of them up properly. So we have some more of them, and then let's get away from that. Chuck it like this. Yeah, so this is the recipe for those scaffoldings. And okay, with the help of this, we can at least make 1. The one we just put up. We can just take it down and raise it up a little bit more. 4 more blocks. Where is it? Over here. And then we're going to build something here as well, I think. Down here by the first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We can make this more elaborate later, of course. But for now, this is pretty good. Pretty darn good. So now we see it better, right? Yeah, see, look at that. And then maybe one there, and one there, and one there. That'll be really cool. It will be a little bit far away maybe, but I like it like that. I like the idea of them being like spread out on these hills here. So I think that's what we're gonna do. You know what, guys? I'm gonna put up the other 3 here, and then we'll have a look at that, and also then connect them with wires. Look at that beauty! I think that looks awesome, guys. The only problem is, when we go over here, that one is out of render distance, and of course, yeah, now they're just poles. But still, it's really cool, especially when we're over here. Now there isn't one on this one, you'll notice, and that's because I wanted to make 4, and but I need to have something here because of the wiring. So all I've done here is I've connected it from this one, I hope, to this one, and from this one to that one, and from that one to this pole here, and then from that one to this one. So here I've prepared an LV wire connector, and hopefully we can just chuck it into this thing here. If not, we're gonna have to build a one of these one of these things that is called, not a turntable for Pete's sakes. What's that? Heater? No. Okay, I don't know what it's called. The immersive engineering equivalent of the power cell. So if we just put that down here temporarily and try it out, we need to connect it from there to there, right? And of course now I can't. Okay, you know what, guys? We need to actually make one of these other types of power here, I think, because then we can see if this works or not. An LV capacitor, I believe it is. So let's put that down here. So much prettier than the other things here. Let's see. Maybe like that. Don't know. We'll see. Okay, so can we see this? It's got no facing side, no connection. Okay, let's move it to the side then. And keep jumping, by the way, guys. It's not, I don't mean to. Oh, and now I keep falling. Still no connection. Wait a minute. Okay, I think, let's see here. Orange is probably in. Input, oh, it says there. Input, yeah, that sounds about right. And still it's not getting anything. That's because these are not producing anything. Why are they not producing anything? I am a little bit confused now, guys. I will have a little investigate. Wait a minute. 256 IF. So that's, oh, wait a minute. Am I doing this all wrong? Just a second, guys. I am doing it wrong, or I did anyway, but I figured it out. So we need LV connectors there and there, and I expect the relays are just used for relaying things, as is kind of implied by the name. Oh darn it! So now we're getting power here. Actually, oh actually, you know what? I could probably put a relay here. Let's try that. Let's try that. That seems like a nifty idea. That seems like a cool thing to do, right? So if we take this away as well, and then put a relay here, then we should be able to go from here to here, but also from here to here, I think. Yeah, that seems about right. And then finally we need a relay or a doohickey connector here, and connect from that to that. So hopefully now they are all... Oh, wait a minute. I made 4, didn't I? here to here. Okay, so it doesn't say that this has any power in it, but I guess that's their internal buffer of this kinetic dynamo, and it's all going into this thing instead, going over to here, and then this thing, and over to here, and then here. That doesn't have any power. Now, the springing question is, that has power, and that has not got power. So why is that? Is it sucking it out here? Hopefully it is. It's hard to say if they're chain connecting like this or not. I hope they are, because I really like the cabling like this. Anyway guys, I have the output out back here, so in theory I should be able to hook this up to the system like that, right? Now the thing is, we don't really need to, and I might want to keep all of the farm stuff separate from all of the dwarven stuff, so we have separate power to this stuff. That could be a cool thing to do, and then just use the immersive engineering stuff instead. So for instance, we could go down here and remove this power cell, and instead draw power into this via wires. And what we can do then is we can use these shiny poles, can't we? I think so anyway. If we put that down here, and then we put a relay here, for instance. I thought this was going to connect properly and look nice. Maybe not. But we can put it like that. That can look like a cool thing. And then we have, let's see here, this thing here. Maybe put it, I don't know how far they reach. We will have to try it out. I think it's 16 blocks, but I could be wrong. To here, for instance. And then, let's see, LV doohickey. So then we need to have an output hammer. out. Yeah, there you go. Output there. And then connect this to this. And this to this. It's too far away, darn it. Well, wait a minute, let's see, let's put it here. What is it with this? Why do I never have the right thing on my bar? Honestly. So, to here, right? And then from here to here. And so on and so forth. So we could drag that and go through the glass here, for instance, and thus gaining power to this thing. And then we could go over here, although this is driven by some power, so that's fine. But maybe we could go over to here, some snazzy way, and power the wood farm as well. The tree farm is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, we need some lights on these things. Do we have some sort of lights in immersive engineering? That's what I want to know. Probe connector, eh? Tesla coil. So many cool names, guys. Fluorescent tube. Wow. Oh, we also have Faraday boots. Haha, Faraday. That's an excellent name for them. What's that then? Capacitor backpack. Oh, that's pretty cool. See, there's some pretty cool things in immersive engineering, I have to say. And of course the guns are here as well. So anyway, guys, what's that then? Wall mount lantern. That's pretty cool. Glowstone and a bit of plates and stuff. Could do some lanterns maybe up here. I think they also prevent mob spawns, which is kind of cool, because I think we may be getting to a point here where we're outside of the range of everything. So that's gonna have to be that, guys. That's gonna have to be it for today. I hope you liked this. I hope you enjoyed this immersive engineering episode, guys. Some wind turbines are up and running, although there are some fineries to actually sort out, but in general they're working well, I think. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you later. Bye!